What are the most common resume mistakes?
Some of the most frequent resume mistakes include typos, poor formatting, using generic language, and including irrelevant information. Many people also forget to tailor their resume to the job they want. These errors can make a bad first impression on recruiters and reduce your chances of getting an interview.
How important is proofreading your resume?
Proofreading is absolutely essential. Even a single typo or grammar mistake can show a lack of attention to detail. Read your resume out loud and ask someone you trust to review it. Careful proofreading helps you present yourself as detail-oriented and professional, which can set you apart from other applicants.
Why should you avoid generic descriptions?
Using generic phrases like responsible for or hardworking doesn't highlight your unique skills. Instead, describe your achievements with action verbs and specific results. For example, say increased sales by 20% in 6 months rather than responsible for sales. This makes your accomplishments clear and impressive.
Is formatting really that important?
Yes, formatting is crucial. A cluttered or inconsistent resume is hard to read and can frustrate recruiters. Use clear section headings, an easy-to-read font, and plenty of white space. Keep it simple and professional. Proper formatting helps your most important information stand out and is key to making a good impression.
Should you tailor your resume for each job?
Absolutely. Customizing your resume for each application shows you understand the role and what the employer needs. Highlight relevant experience, skills, and keywords from the job description. Tailoring your resume makes it more likely to pass through automated screening and catch the attention of hiring managers.
What should you leave off your resume?
Remove outdated or irrelevant details, such as unrelated jobs or skills, personal interests, and your full address. Avoid including salary history or reasons for leaving past roles. Focus on what matters most to the position you're applying for. A concise resume lets your best qualifications shine.